Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, 6th May 2020, Year 2 Maths, Fractions, Unit, Fractions. Pause the video and make sure you have your workbook and a pencil. Please download the sheet from the class charts Fractions, Unit, Fractions. Write the short date at the top of the page, 6.5.20. Write the LI, Unit, Fractions. Once you have finished your work, please send a photo of your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. Let's go through the key vocabulary first. Please repeat it after me. Whole, part, equal, unit, fractions, denominator, numerator. We are going to look at a video which is part of the White Rose scheme that the school follow. Pause the video and please make sure you have downloaded the worksheet from class charts, as the video is going to ask you to complete some questions. This is what the worksheet looks like.
Hello again, unit fractions today. But first, here's our flashback form. So a question from yesterday. Does this picture show 1/3 shaded? We should know that one from yesterday. Half of 24. I wonder how you're going to work that out. If you're going to get 24 buns or 24 somethings to split into two equal groups. A question about lines of symmetry. And then a calculation one. Now this number 4, I'm interested in how you worked it out. And if you've got more than one way of working it out. And then don't forget the clock. Good luck! How did you get on? So does this picture show 1/3 shaded? Yes, it does. 1 has 3 equal parts shaded. Half of 24, if we have 24 buns, then half of 24 would be 12 buns. Is this line of symmetry correct? No, we've not got 2 equal parts. This would be correct. This pentagon, one of the lines of symmetry. And then work out 27 add 9. So 27 add 9 is 36. But I wonder how you did it. Did you add 10 and then subtract 1? Did you partition and do 7 add 9 is 16 and add that onto the 20? Did you partition your 9 into 3? So you did 27 add 3 is 30 and then 6 more is 36. Maybe you partitioned your 27 into 26 and 1 and made 10 with the 9 to give you 36. Maybe you used a number line. I think a number line is a really good idea. Lots of ways you can do that. And then the clock, we had 10:15 and then we had 10:30. So I thought this one was going to be 11:15, but it's not. It's 11 o'clock. Unit fractions then. What do you notice about these shapes? They've been split into equal parts. Yes, they have. They're all equal parts. And this is the crucial bit about unit fractions. Only one of those parts has been shaded. Can you see? They've been split into equal parts, and only one of those parts has been shaded. What do you notice about these shapes? Yes, that's right. They do not have equal parts. So what fraction of these squares has been shaded? We know they've got equal parts, that's really important. But what fraction of the squares has been shaded? Remember, first think how many equal parts, and that gives you your denominator. Next think how many parts have been shaded, and that gives you your numerator. Pause the video here and have a go. That's right. They've all got 1/4 shaded. They look very different though, don't they? I wonder if on a piece of paper you could pieces look the same as mine? Pause the video here and have a go at questions 1 to 6. A unit fraction is a fraction where the numerator is 1. We don't know at the moment what our denominator is going to be. It could be any whole number. Does this represent a unit fraction? Pause the video if you like to have a think. It does. One of the parts is shaded, and we've got 4 equal parts. So this is showing 1/4. What about this? 2 equal parts, and 1 part shaded. 1/2. What about this? We've just heard that a half is a unit fraction, and this is the way we write 1/2. Remember, our numerator is 1, so we've got a unit fraction. Our denominator is 3. We've split our whole into 3 equal parts, but we've shaded only one of them, so it is a unit fraction. This time our denominator is 10, but our numerator is still 1, so it's still a unit fraction. As long as the numerator is 1, then we've got a unit fraction, even if our denominator is as high as 73. Oh, the numerator is 2, so does this represent a unit fraction? No. A unit fraction is a fraction where the numerator is 1. What about this one? Is the numerator 1? No, so it's not a unit fraction. Oh, some trees. 3 trees altogether, so 3 parts. And I've circled 2 of those 3 parts. So my numerator would be 2, and my denominator would be 3. So this isn't a unit fraction, because the numerator has to be 1 for it to be a unit fraction. What about now? Yes, that's right. 1 out of the 3 trees has been circled. So that is 1/3, which is a unit fraction. An easy one. Again, 1 out of our 3 birds has been circled. So that is a unit fraction. 6 birds this time. I'm going to group my birds into 2s, just like our bar model. So I've got 3 equal groups, and then I'm going to circle one of those equal groups. So I've circled 1 out of the 3 groups. So that is a unit fraction. 1/3 of the birds has been circled. 1 out of the 3 groups. Pause here and have a go at questions 7 and 8.
Right, let's look at this slide here. What is the same and what is different about each model? So tell your grown-up what is the same and what is different. Right, let's have a look. Same, the bars are of the same size, and in each model, one part is shaded. Different is the bars have been divided equally into parts of different sizes. So this is divided equally into half, this is divided equally into 4s, and this is divided equally into 3s. Now, let's have a go at this question here. Now, what fraction is shaded in each diagram? Right, let's have a look at it. So it's 1/2 shaded in here, 1/3 shaded in here, and 1/4 shaded in here. Right, we got a reasoning question here. Now, there are 12 squares here, 3 of them have been shaded in. So this shows 1/4 of 12. Is it true or false? Have a go at it and let me know whether it's true or false. Also, can you shade the same shape so that it shows 1/3 of 12? Right, let's have a look at it. So, this one is true. There are 12 squares altogether and 3 are shaded. 1/4 of 12 is 3. Now, this one, any 4 squares will show 1/3 shaded. So 1/3 of 12 would have been 4. So you could have done it this way or this way. Once you have finished your work, please send a photo of the work that you have done at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. Thank you.